Hey there gamers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add PS3 ISO game files to the RPCS3 emulator. So let's jump right in. RPCS3 is a powerful open-source PlayStation 3 emulator that lets you enjoy PS3 titles on your PC. Now, once you've set up RPCS3 on your computer, you might think dragging and dropping your ISO file into the emulator would work. But it doesn't. That's because RPCS3 doesn't support the ISO disk image format directly. It needs access to the game's internal files and folders to run properly. So here's what you need to do. You'll have to extract the contents of your ISO and place them into a proper game folder format. Start by mounting the ISO using Windows Explorer. This will treat the ISO as a virtual DVD drive. Once mounted, you'll see three items inside: PS3 Game PS3 Update and the disk.sfb file. Select all of them. Right-click and choose Copy. Now, exit the virtual drive, create a new folder, and name it after the game you're adding. Paste the files you just copied into this new folder. Now let's move on to loading the game in RPCS3. Open the RPCS3 emulator and click on Add Game. Navigate to the folder you just created and select it. The game should now appear in your RPCS3 game list, and you'll notice a green compatibility icon, which means it should work fine. That's it. You're all set to run your PS3 game. When you launch it, the emulator will begin compiling shaders, and after that, your game should run smoothly, and there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to load and play your PS3 ISO game files using the RPCS3 emulator. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help.